Hi guys, this another video is we are going to replace the front strut top mounts for this Honda Fit, and we're going to lift up this vehicle on the hoist, take the wheel off, and remove the front shock absorber assembly and replace the top mounts. Now this is the mounts that we are going to replace. This is the new strut top mounts. The left hand side is the new mount, and the right hand side, this is the old one on the right hand side. So yeah, the right hand side is really wear, and then when you bar the wheel on the front, it was play. Thank you guys for watching. If this video is helpful, please don't forget to subscribe or thumbs up to my channel. Thank you.